Hi my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today in this video I am again gonna be reviewing a very weird product for you guys, and this is gonna remove your cracked heels. All you need to do is just dip your feet into lukewarm water, and after some time just need to take this thing, and it is gonna help you in removing the cracked heel and the accumulation of dead skin cells over your heels. And this has a blade, and this is not gonna hurt you. I am gonna show you the entire demonstration. For that we quickly need to dive into the video, guys. Also, if you're someone who hasn't subscribed to the channel yet, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. And now let's quickly start the video. So guys, this is how this thing looks like, and it is made up of steel. Also, it has blade fitted inside it. It is not gonna harm. So there is a lot of dead skin cell accumulation and callus there on the heels. So I am gonna do it for some time, and I could see that the dead skin was getting accumulated in this, I don't know what to call it, a device or a prop or whatever this thing is. And it is pretty cheap also. It is available on Wish, but it works greatly. As you guys can see for yourself, there was so much of dead skin cell accumulation on the heel area, and it is so beautifully removing everything. This is also very satisfying to watch. It doesn't hurt, it doesn't cause any pain, and unlike those cracked heel creams which take a lot of time to heal your cracked heels, it is gonna give you instant results, which is a great thing. And this works, guys. I will give it totally a thumbs up from my side. The thing is very cheap also. I will give the product link in the description box below if you, in case you guys want to buy it. Just go for this. This is all I want to say. So guys, this was it for this video. I really hope that you find it helpful, and if you did, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'm gonna leave the product link in the description box below in case you guys want to check it out. Also, make sure that you follow me on my social media, links to which are given in the description box below. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell button. I'll see you guys super soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.